Hi, I have in front of me a Denver wireless home alarm system. This is a smart system. It's available with free shipping directly from freetv.ie. So the idea of this is that you want to set up an alarm system as a DIY to cover a house, and you want a few basic things in it. You want a camera so you can see what's going on, PIR sensors on a door or within the building, and also we'll say on the door just to check has there been entry into it. So you could use it on a house, a lock-up, a building, commercial, things like that. And although we have a standard kit here that covers the basics to get you going, it is possible to add stuff additionally on. So the things you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to receive a text message to your phone to say, look, the alarm has been triggered. And as well as that, you'll be able to log directly in and get it, see what's going on with this here. The price point on this is incredibly low. There's a lot of restrictions on the installation of alarm systems, all the rest of it. But remember, if you're doing it for yourself, that's fine. If you want to do it for other people, you need your license. Okay, so let's come along and see what we get. Everything comes inside this box here. So we're sourcing this directly off probably one of the largest suppliers of this type of equipment in Europe. We're based in Scandinavia, and the reason we went with them is they have a fantastic reputation for quality, backup service, and products that don't give a hassle. Okay, so let's look at the various parts of it here. So we have the base unit here. Okay, so this really is the brains of the entire operation here. This is where we can slot in our SIM cards. We can come along, set this up for onto the 4G network, and it allows us to power it on and off, and we do pairing of additional devices here. To actually control access in and out of the building, we have a battery here, or we have the keypad here. Power usage in this is extremely low, so we only have to change the battery here maybe once or twice a year. Just come along, pull the slot out, and our keypad is up and it's pre-paired with this. Okay, so then we have a PIR. So this obviously is for picking up motion within the overall thing. Again, PIR's power use is incredibly low. It's just on at certain times. It's standby mode most of the time, and then when it picks up a motion, sends a signal, bang, alarm goes off, right? So there'll be a siren inside here, and it's actually quite a loud siren. I think it's about 90 dB to let you know that there's something going on, which hopefully will get people to go away. The other type of PIR we have is just a window tamper. Okay, so if the window's open, it'll break the seal and go. And again, it has a built-in battery, incredibly low battery usage. Just the same with the PIR, there's a little rotation unit here for mounting it, and that just lets you set it in exactly the direction you want to do with it here. Finally, there's a camera here. So the idea is you want to set, if the alarm goes off, you want to find out, is it a guy with a baseball bat or is it your cat? Okay, so you're able to log directly in. You need to download the Tuya app directly from the iStore and put it onto your phone. And what you can do then is just log in. So you get a text message say there's an alarm, or the app will let you know, and then you come and do it. So if we come along on this thing, now we have a nice little booklet here with it. That'll cover the main things on it, but the setup is relatively straightforward. So we just have a sign that you can screw on, and also sticky signs so you can say, look, I've got an alarm system. Finally, how are you going to turn on and off the alarm system? Well, you can do it obviously directly with this. You can also use this fob key here to set and unset it. And then also we have an RFID tag here, so you can come along, just swipe it, and off you go. It'll turn on and off the alarm system accordingly. There's plugs and screws then that come along for mounting the various bits and pieces. So one of the great things about this is very, very modular. So you can come along and say, look, I want to add another couple of these and another few PIR sensors on it. It's no problem to do it, easy to pair afterwards, and that type of stuff you can always buy directly from the freetv.ie website. So we've been slow to get into the home alarm market, even though we've been selling we'll say the CCTV systems for a long time. And the reason we sort of jumped on that right now is that like Denver, just a great brand to partner with. The price point is absolutely fantastic. Like anybody who's trying to save a few bucks going to China Direct, no, absolutely not, I would say, in relation to this, because we know these guys, they're doing huge turnover every year, and they just sell a range of great products with no returns.